I kind of realize what's going on here. It's scary to say it, but it's 100% the truth. I realize now that in these days, in the last few months, there are more converts to Judaism more than ever before. I mean, I'm giving lectures for 23 years, and I've dealt with hundreds of converts over the years. But now I realize that there's not a day, you cannot find one day without getting few emails of people that beg to convert to Judaism, and people with high quality, goyim, that are really in love with God and with the Torah and with my lectures or other speakers' lectures. They're in love with them, and even they are in love with the strict speakers, not the fakers, not the liberals, not the modern who teach and modify the Torah. No, they actually attracted to some of the strongest speakers on earth, whether it's in English, whether it's in different languages. It's very interesting. More and more goyim are begging to be Jewish, and many of them, their dream come through. So I started to realize what is really happening here. In the last 2 generations, the Jewish people losing massive amount of Jews from birth, that they go and become goyim by assimilation, and Hashem is replacing them with converts. So that means if this phenomena would continue another generation or 2, probably the majority of the Jewish people will be descendants of converts. So if the Jews would be all staying together according to the rules of the Torah, we should have been between 2 and 4 billion Jews. And how many we are? 13.2 million. That means 99.9% of the Jewish people disappeared. So how come we still have Jewish people? One reason, some of the Jewish people stuck to the religion zealously. They were willing to give their life for the truth and for the instructions of God, and they kept Judaism still alive. Low flame, but still alive. And many converts. Many converts. Many of the Jews that you see today with the long beard and the peot, Hasidish or Litvish from Europe, are descendants of converts. In the time of the Gaon Mivilna, there are a few stories of some people who the Gaon Mivilna say that they're Gilgulim, reincarnation of converts who came back to the European community to be born as natural Jews, meaning souls of converts. And many other people who converted to Judaism in the last 500 years, which is very interesting. Without the Jews that stuck to the truth no matter what, and without all the kosher converts who were added to the Jewish nation, we were basically gone to zero. If this phenomena would continue, eventually the majority of the Jewish people will be children of converts. Because this is what's happening here. Many of the converts, they leave everything they had in their previous life and they become very religious. They didn't come to waste time. They came to be very religious. DNA? DNA proves nothing. Jewish, DNA proves nothing. You can have a DNA of a Kohen and you're 100% a Goy. You know, an expert told me in statistic, 85% of the last name Cohen in America are not Jewish. Their mother is not Jewish, or grandmother. 85, you have 100 people, Cohen, only 15 of them, their mother is Jewish. 85% of them are not Jewish according to the laws of the Torah. You understand? So DNA is a waste of money and waste of time, and disappeared from our Jewish identity. And slowly, tens of thousands of Goyim converted to Judaism for real and established themselves as very Orthodox Jews, and now 2nd and 3rd generation of their children who are going to yeshivot, and they are replacing us Slowly, slowly. We don't want, Hashem say, you don't want me? You don't want to follow my rules? You want to marry the nations? You don't care that your children will not be Jewish? Okay, it's your free choice. Do it. What will I do? I have to keep the Jewish legacy going. I'll open the eyes of many of the Goyim. Make them click on the right button on YouTube and begin to listen to speakers and open up their head to leave their nonsense and their fake religion. And many of them are real. They're going to devote time and money, and they run, and they beg to convert, and they'll keep all the mitzvot, and they will be the new Jews. And you know what? The Gemara already predicted it. The Gemara say, לא פיזר הקדוש ברוך הוא את ישראל באומות, אלא כדי להרבות עליהם גרים. One of the reasons Hashem spread the Jewish people in all the nations in the world is to add converts constantly to our nation. Why? Maybe one of the reasons is that which the Jews from birth don't care about Torah and about who to marry. Hashem said, okay, I have to bring import other people into my nation. Import. Of course, it's the free will. Many of the Goyim listen to lectures, debates, and they stay Goyim. They don't want to come. But even if 1% of 1% of the Goyim in the world would want to convert, how many millions are there? If you have 7.5 billion Goyim, 10% of 7.5 billion is 750 million. 1% of them is 75 million. 1% of the Goyim in the world. 0.1% of the Goyim, it's 7.5 million people. 0.1%. 7.5 million people. Half of the Jewish nation. You understand? You don't need the whole world. You don't need 10% of the world. You don't need even 1% of the world. 1% will be 75 million people. 1% from all the Goyim in the world. It's 75 million people. 0.1%, 0.10%, it's 7.5 million people. 1% of 1%, 750,000 people. Still a lot. Imagine this, 750,000 converts, it's 350,000 families. One generation later, it's close to 20 to 30 million people, new Jews.